We had been running a MPLS network for a long time, probably since 2003. And the availability just wasn't there. We were having downtimes that were increasing. So we looked at Talari specifically for availability.
We had T1s at all of our branches, and when the company was looking to start implementing applications and systems that required bandwidth, the T1s just, they couldn't handle the load that we were looking to put on them.
If a carrier went down, I had manually fail everything over from one to the other, which took time, and then if it was only a short outage, it took time to put it back the other way. So I was looking for something that would solve that problem and make it seamless. Nobody would notice. Maybe I wouldn't even notice.
We pulled all the phone systems out of regional offices for the most part. And the connectivity, if they just lost connection for 2 seconds, for some reason phones would start rebooting and we'd lose phones.
The biggest pain point we were trying to solve with Talari was redundancy. Many of our banks only have one T1 connection, and when that connection went down, the bank was pretty much offline.
So when I first was introduced to the Talari technology, I literally did say, what manner of sorcery is this? It's technical sorcery. It's a black box thing that I don't understand. Since then, I have come to embrace the technology because it's so effective and efficient, easy to deploy, huge cost savings.
The Talari has allowed us to get more sleep and have a lot less worry. But really, from a performance level and from a network level, it's really allowed us to give more reliability, to promise near 100% uptime to our remote sites, and to deliver on that promise.
Talari gave us speed, it gave us redundancy, and it gave us capacity.
It gave us more bandwidth for just normal day-to-day usage, and it also gave us resiliency for those little blips when our MPLS network just had a little hole for half a second. We didn't lose the traffic and the phones worked and life is good, birds sing, the whole thing.
Talari takes away the angst of that MPLS issue and us being able to serve our members. And that is worth $1 million to me.
Talari allowed us to eradicate MPLS from a lot of our sites. It also allowed us to get redundancy, which we had a lot of problems with in the past with having redundancy at these sites, so we can keep them up and running. And I can do this all deployed on cheap broadband. What more could you ask for?